Hi sunshines, and welcome back to my channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Loriann.
And welcome to another MADCURLS Treatment Tuesday. Want to tell them what Treatment Tuesday is on our channel?
Treatment Tuesday is our idea this winter of doing treatment for our hair, deep treatments, masks. Hopefully we'll get around one of these weeks to do hot oil treatments.
You keep talking about that.
I know, I did.
Hot oil treatment.
I know, today would have been the perfect day, but I didn't get the product yet, so anyway. And we want to encourage you to do the same thing because we feel during the winter our hair seems to get drier, and we have read in our comments from time to time that your hair gets drier, and so we are trying to all be a part of the solution to keeping our hair nice and moisturized so we have nice flowing locks next summer.
All of that.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to tell them what product we're going to be using today for our Treatment Tuesday?
I'm so excited. I got my way, finally. I'm going to be the star of the show for the next couple of weeks. And so now, ta-da! We'll be doing Alikay. We're starting our Alikay series. And we're going to be starting it with their Avocado Cream Moisturizing Repairing Mask. So after this video, as we always do, we are going to go into our styling video. In the styling video, we will lay out all of the products in the line that I have. And we're going to kick off our Alikay series. You guys have mentioned it over and over again. That's a really great line. I absolutely agree, and I can't wait to delve into this line.
Yeah. You've been testing it, you've been trying it, you've been loving it. We're like, okay, let's get it on camera. Let's just get it on camera. Okay, so first up is the treatment. For Treatment Tuesday, we are using an Alikay treatment, like you said. So if you would like to see us use this treatment, learn a little bit more about it, then
please keep watching.
Please keep watching. Okay. So first things first, water. I'm laughing because I typically put the spray bottles on the table beforehand, and I completely forgot this video. So this is old water today, and you were just spraying it and sniffing it in the air off camera because nobody wanted to walk to the bathroom to get new water.
but it smelled like old water.
You said even if it did smell old, today's not the day.
I said on camera I wouldn't embarrass you on camera, but I said, but it didn't. I smelled it and it did not smell old. So.
Not the day. You know those days where you're just like not the one.
Yeah, she's not the one today. You know how far to push. Like kids know how far to push their parents. Parents also know how far to push their kids. I think the Bible says parents should not provoke their children. Yes, today would be a day I would not provoke her. Okay. It's just not the day.
It's just not the day.
Okay. Oh my gosh, my hair is so soft. Okay, guys, so...
Oh, yeah. Last time we forgot to mention what we cleansed our hair with, so let's do that.
So I cleansed my hair with today my absolute favorite, and I do mean favorite. The way I carry on about the Cabell Rose Creme Restore is the way I am carrying on about this. Who would have known, okay? This is Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo. And I read about it, and it seems to kind of indicate it's kind of like a clarifying shampoo of sorts. But my hair is the most moisturized I really have ever felt. It's a odd kind of thing. Like you like really feel the moisture in your hair like I've never felt before. I love it so much. Already went through that one. Okay, that was the 8-ounce size, and had to get the 16-ounce size because I thought I'd be sharing it, but you're just like, Mom, you love it too much. I can't hear your mouth. And I'm like, okay, thank you.
You let me use this a little bit, but it's like I have a lot of hair, so like I didn't use it the way I really wanted to use it. But like the pieces that I did use it in, it definitely does. It has slip. It has slip. Like, and it definitely is moisturizing. It's very interesting product.
It looks like vinegar. It's watery. I don't
you love
this,
it though.
I love this. I am obsessed. This is my new favorite. This is what I wash my hair with now. I know, guys, y'all can't keep up with me, but it's okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be all
right. No, I really love that. So so that's like my first reaction.
So how much does it go for?
So this little one went for I want to say 14, 16, hold on. I have my little... I know. What?
See what happens when she's in charge?
Yeah, I know, right?
Typically when I pick lines, I have everything laid out. I have prices.
Can't do everything. Can't do everything.
This is the only thing you had to do.
Oh, okay. Okay, as I'm separating my hair so I can start sectioning. I can't help it that the iPad's not...
I'm going to be the one to dig in first. We'll get back to you on prices. But this is cool. It's green. Again, it says Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask. And the line is curly girl friendly. So no, what is it, sulfates?
No sulfates, yes. No silicones, no mineral oil, petroleum.
All that stuff.
Yeah, all that stuff. All that. I was going to say all that good stuff. All that bad stuff.
All that bad stuff.
All that dirty stuff, as they call it. Yeah.
And for this product, you can either leave it in your hair for 20 minutes without heat or 30 minutes with... Wait, no. sorry, 30 minutes without heat or 20 minutes with the steamer or heat.
Let me take the Wi-Fi off of this because it's going to start getting on my nerves. And I'm not the one for that today.
Well, that's interesting.
What's
There's
that?
a disclaimer on it. These statements have been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This product is not food. Do not consume for external use only.
I know. I noticed that a lot of their products say that. One so much that I smelled it, and I actually thought that there was something wrong with the smell because I would say, who would think that they would consume this? I thought it would have like a very sweet kind of bakery smell, but it didn't. It's their parfait, but it didn't have a smell that who in the world would want to consume it? But they definitely
Who's
say
out
that.
here eating hair products?
I don't know.
Who's doing that?
I don't know, but they definitely say that in quite a few of their products, and I couldn't wait to smell it when it said it on the website. I'm like, oh, it's probably going to smell really good, but
yeah.
It didn't smell bad.
Sometimes
it just
companies
smells very
say
natural.
Say it like jokingly, but this one I feel like they're dead serious.
I think they're dead
like,
serious.
Don't eat the product.
I think they're just so beautiful. I think they're so beautifully packaged. I think the colors are so unique. I don't know. It brings to mind the Wizard of Oz witch to me.
Oh yeah, it does.
It's like the perfect green.
All right, here's the black soap.
Okay, so the black soap shampoo.
This one is $5.99.
No. That's the travel size. So we'll get on that in a minute.
$12.99.
That's $12.99.
$12.99.
We'll get into it in the other video, so we might as well stick to
8
the
ounces.
top. But what I like about this site is that they have the travel sizes, they have the regular sizes that people would buy in a store. They have the huge size of things, like if you really like it and you know you're going to use it more than more often than not. And then they have like liter sizes, huge liter sizes. So
What's the price of
loving this line. This avocado. Okay, so that's
I'll do that while you
that's the
start
cleanser.
slapping it in
Okay.
your hair. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, it smells good. It just smells fresh and green and rich and healthy.
Okay, is this $15.99?
That would be, what size is that?
$15.99.
What size does it say?
This is the 8 ounce.
Okay. So the 8
All
ounces
right, here we go.
$15.99. And of course, this video is going out during
it's
the
so good.
holiday season, so there are sales to be had everywhere. Every time I turn around on Facebook, I keep getting coupons popping up.
Oh, slip.
I know during the Black Friday time, they were doing 40% off. Who knows if that'll come back? But during the holiday season, I've seen some 30, I've seen some 25% off.
Hold on, Mama, you're off camera.
Okay.
Right here, scooping.
I think I'm leaving off camera because I don't want this on my shirt. I need to just throw
Put a
this
towel on.
Yep, I am. So.
This is like making my hair feel very soft.
Yes. Just putting it in, right?
Yeah, wow. It's definitely green.
It's definitely green.
It's definitely green. If you did not know if it was green, it's definitely green.
I've seen some of you guys on Instagram with this. Getting this.
Some people did some Black Friday shopping.
Yes, going back. I see you, CCJ. Colleen shopping. Buying up my Alikay products. Yeah. I'm like, oh, good. I said, she'll love this because I just saw it on her Instagram. And I'm like, oh, she'll love this series.
I know, we've been saying it for a couple months, but...
Because y'all know it ain't approved until MADCURLS approves it. Just saying.
Just saying. I really
What do you do
like
when your nose itches?
Like...
That's what Lucy said when she was doing the chocolate.
Yeah, in the episode with the chocolate factory, she was like all up in the chocolate, and then her
Yes.
nose was itched, and like she wanted to scratch it, but she had chocolate on her hands.
And be like, hi, Alikay, welcome to the MADCURLS channel. Because if you didn't know us, we know you. But if you didn't know us, we talk.
We talk.
We talk.
We talk. Is how we review.
Alikay said, we probably haven't heard a thing yet about our
All
products.
right, have they mentioned the product yet? Alright. So water and product. And sectioning. For those of you who might be new to our channel, this might be the very first video you ever watched of MADCURLS. We section our hair to apply product, even though we always didn't.
We didn't always,
we
right?
didn't always, yeah.
Yeah.
But now, I think I wrote that in the Naturally Curly article we did. One of the things that it was like, what's either like something you learned or something that you do that's like really good for like your routine or something like that. I don't remember,
Okay.
but I said sectioning. Like
Okay.
sectioning was something great I learned.
And
really
I would say when
helps.
you know better, you do better.
Yeah.
What I put in that article was to take my time, leave enough time to detangle. If I don't have the time, either I will have to miss the event that I was supposed to go to, that I'm detangling my hair for, or I won't go, period. But I no longer, gone are the days where people are waiting for me and I'm rushing, carelessly yanking, tugging, pulling my hair, pulling my hair, just cutting out knots, fairy knots, big knots, tangles, dreads, not caring. Oh my gosh. Those days are so
Speaking of
over.
detangling, yeah, someone came in my DMs and was like, her routine, like her hair, like something's like going wrong with her hair, like with detangling and whatnot, and she was like that she doesn't section her hair for detangling, she just starts detangling, and I'm like, girl, you got a section. Take your time, section when detangling, section when applying products.
Yeah. It makes a difference.
It totally
you
makes
think
a
it's a small step, you think it doesn't matter? No, it matters. I've even gone so far, and I've seen it in the past done and said, and I've always seen it like fours. Like fours are wise because they don't take their texture for granted, and they found all the tricks of the trade. Okay, and so I watched a video one time, and the girl sectioned for shampooing, and I'm like, wow. In the meantime, here I am over here just doing all of this shampooing, tangling my hair, and I saw how she does. The way I'm doing my hair now, putting in the conditioner, is the way she shampooed her hair.
Yeah.
And that is the way.
And you taught me that, so like I section my hair to shampoo now as well.
It might seem like extra, but no, not when you're a natural. It's not extra. It's keeping and preserving the health of your hair.
Because, I mean, you can grow your hair and make it healthy, but, like, it's about, like, retention, like, retaining that.
Yes.
Retaining length, retaining the health of your hair.
Because it differentiates from 1 minute to the next. 1 minute you have long hair, next minute you start seeing hair loss, and you're thinking, what did I do differently? You know, it's like, it comes and goes. It's like you could eat something, and it can change the texture of your hair. It can change the amount of hair loss you will experience.
Yeah.
You know, the weather, what you do. I definitely know the highlights kind of change the texture of my hair a little bit.
Even, like, your personal life, I learned that, like, stress can make you lose your hair.
Yes.
Because, like, it happened to me. My hair, like, I was going through, like, a stressful time, and my hair was shedding like crazy and falling out. So it's just, like, there's so many things.
Yeah.
That can affect your hair.
Do you guys experience that? What do you experience? What is the harshest thing either that you've done to your hair and you've noticed the change in your hair, products you've had, foods that you've eaten, times in your life? What is it? Stress? Is it, like, what is it exactly?
Yeah, since going natural, because we all know, like, obviously perms and texturized and stuff, that definitely changes your hair.
Yeah.
But, like, since going natural, are there certain things, like certain foods you've eaten that changed your hair, or products, or something you did wrong? Like, my protein overload when I left a protein treatment in overnight, like, that was dumb.
Yeah.
That changed my hair texture. I had shedding and fairy knots. Like, what's something you've done that's changed your hair, and you're like, you know, what's going on here?
Right?
Something went wrong.
I like when brands have fun with their product. Like, this green is very cute.
This is very cool, and a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot.
Yeah.
My hair feels very, very good, and we're definitely gonna do the heat portion of this. So for 20 minutes, I think you're gonna sit under the hooded dryer,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do the what have I been doing? Oh, the leggings hack and the blow dryer.
Some of these are on the ground. For instance, let me see. Is this one on the ground? I'm not sure. I know that they're honey and sage deep conditioners on the ground. I know that their refresher sprays on the ground. The lemon leave-in conditioner. Some of them are on the ground. They're co-wash. Not all of them, though. Oh, sorry.
Alright. So what I'm gonna do is what I did last time, so I can fit my hair under those leggings. Is I twist my hair like so. Twist all the way down.
I'm not gonna put the plastic cap on. Wait, do they say? Yeah, because it retains the heat, right? I always think I want to get it directly to my head, but no, I think this will retain the heat.
Put it here, and then I'm gonna do the same to this side.
And
Twist.
hold on, let me just tell you guys what it says to do.
And flip it there.
Yeah, I have what was green on me. Okay. So it's.
And my hands are kind of
right.
a little green.
Okay, apply to wet hair part here into 2 to 4 sections. Finger comb here to remove tangles. Apply liberally, focusing on ends. Okay, massage evenly from root to tip. Cover with the plastic conditioning cap and let product sit for 30 minutes without heat, or for maximum moisturizing benefits, sit underneath a hooded dryer or the steamer for, or hair steamer for 20 minutes. Rinse, style as usual. Okay, there we go.
Alrighty. So we are going to go do that, and we'll be back once the product's rinsed out of our hair to give you guys our final thoughts.
Okay. All right.
Bye. And we are back. These are our results.
These are results.
Results-ish. Yeah, we rinsed the product out of our hair. I had a microfiber towel on my hair for a while, maybe for like 5 minutes. That's why mine looks bigger and drier. You just rinsed yours out.
Yeah.
But we love it.
I love it.
My hair was so soft.
My hair looks so shiny.
It was so soft when after I finished with the heat, and then I rinsed it out, and my hair is so soft. My curls are just like,
this is just such an example of deep conditioning throughout the winter, or just like any time. Like, deep conditioners really take it up a notch. And look at that. I like that.
It's nice. This is a go. I like this. We need to get some more of this.
Yes.
I really like this.
I like this. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It looks so good.
I love it. Yeah, so it's a good foundation for our styling video coming up next.
Which is coming up next. This is... You've been really testing the Alikay line, so I haven't really delved into it the way you did, but if this is any indication, this is just one product I've used so far, and this is a yes for me. A heck yes. This is good.
I've been testing for months and months and months, you know, just kind of collecting. You guys know how I do. Just collect. And so finally, here's the week.
Yeah.
Yes, and so, or next couple of weeks.
Yes.
Or a month, perhaps.
Yeah, you want to drag it out, girl. It's a series. Another series. You know we love series up here.
Yes.
We love series.
So this is great. Yeah, no, so this is the green avocado.
Yeah. Wow. So this is
right here.
Is it moisturizing? Is it
this is it's a, like it says, what is it? Repairing moisturizer? What does it say on it?
Moisture repairing mask.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever I hear the word repair, I always think like some sort of repairing things, but yeah, like protein or something.
Protein, but I'm not seeing that.
I looked and I didn't see any the other night.
Yeah.
Because I thought whenever I hear repair, ever since that time when we had that power outage and you had that repairing. Or maybe that was the word reconstructing.
Reconstruct.
Maybe reconstruct. Maybe
I don't know.
repair.
Yeah, maybe we're thinking reconstruct.
Maybe we're thinking reconstruct.
Yeah. Either way, no protein is in this. This is definitely moisturizing. This is definitely a go. It doesn't stain your hands or whatever. It rinses right out.
It does.
The green.
The water was green.
The water was a little green. Yeah, I noticed that.
I love the green. It's like such the Wizard of Oz witch green.
Yeah. No, it's very, very cool. Good job, Gal.
Thanks,
you do good. It's for all hair types. That's what these little colors are for here.
Yes.
So it's for straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, and kinky hair.
Yes.
So
that's what their line caters to. And they have a little book, and we will go into detail in our next video. So be sure to look for that one. If you're not like part of the MADCURLS family yet and you just discovered, like we just do this series, we do the treatment, and then we go right into a video. And so we will explain all of this then. There's the owner right there, the founder. Rochelle.
Hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
We're MADCURLS.
We're MADCURLS. And you're Rochelle.
Okay. The founder of Alikay Naturals.
All right.
Okay, all right. So I'm ready to style my hair, so we're going to go do that. This is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see them in our next Treatment Tuesday video.
We'll see you in our next Treatment Tuesday video or our styling video next.
We'll see you next time. When you see us when you see us.
Yes, all right.
All right. Bye.
Bye.